Welcome to Business Bytes. I'm Mashudu Masutam. The JSE lost 0.5% today. So far, it is at 28,349 points. We spoke to Simon Fillmore from Independent Securities, looking at the technical glitch on the JSE today.
I think, there are technical problems that need to be addressed. Chatting to the JSE, they weren't aware of exactly what the problem was. They were still trying to isolate exactly what it was, but there was speculation that it was their international connectivity to the LSE, and ironically, if you push the button on your keyboard to buy Anglo-American, it actually sends that order to London before it gets executed. That's the way their backbone works.
The all-share index is up 1.3% to end at 25,863 points. We spoke to Adetole Odukanya of Dun Lorraine Merrifield, looking at Sterling Bank results.
Well, this actually raises some key concerns for us. While it's very good that many of these banks, including Sterling, are back to profitability, the concern here is the fact that, for example, Sterling Bank's results were bolstered by the write-back, the net provisions write-back of about 1.6 billion naira. Last year, they obviously had tens of billions of naira written against profits before provisions for risk assets. So the write-backs for 1.6 billion this year obviously bolstered profitability for this year. But overall, the good side is that we're beginning to see our banks returning to profitability, which is a good sign.
The NSE 20 ended the day flat to the negative to close on 4,325 points. We spoke to Fred Opondo from Standard Investment Bank, looking at Kennel Colwell.
Yeah, touching on financing, actually, maybe just to start with that is when they announced their previous results, actually, we saw the management come out boldly and say that their capital expenditure going forward is going to be very, very, very huge. And I'm sure they had foreseen these particular acquisitions because they're keen on expanding into the southern and eastern region. And we've seen actually them going out to do that in Mozambique. They've just launched a company in Mozambique. And they're going to use that as a footprint in the southern and eastern region.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.